Hey guys, what's up? I'm Joe Makam. I'm the head barber and the owner of Kubo Manila Barbershop. So in this video, we will unbox and review the cordless detailer Li. So it was released about a year ago, October last year, when Wall did a 3-day workshop that was conducted by a good friend of mine, Kervin Yu. So I was stoked when I first heard the news that they will release it here in the Philippines. Because as we know, not all of the wall products are available here, right? Perhaps we can request to Wall to make all their products available here in the Philippines. So I was excited that time when I heard that news. Uh, so I attended one of their seminars and then saw the product there. First glance of the product, it looks so premium. You know, I got a chance to feel it, to touch, and it feels good. Like the handling, everything about it. So yeah, it feels so premium. And but I didn't purchase that time because it was just pricey for me. Although I have like other clippers also, the shop they're pricey. But that time I have three trimmers already, so you know I didn't purchase that time. But here there's a lot of resellers. There's a lot of resellers here, but their prices are way too high. So for me, if you want to buy clippers, like trimmers, shavers, you can go directly to the main distributor, which is the Wall Professional Philippines. So they can give you discounts or whatnot. But I don't know. You can talk to them. They're easy to talk to. They don't bite. There's no problem asking, right? Plus, I have a guy there named Rolly. Shout out Rolly Bartolome. He's the one who's taking care of me whenever I need the clipper, trimmer, or the replacement blade and replacement profile. So I had the corded detailer before when it was first released back in 5 years ago, I think. I can't remember. But yeah, that was my first trimmer. That trimmer was super solid. Like the weight, the blade, everything about it. But the only problem is it's 110 volts. So you need to buy a transformer just you can use the trimmer. So sometimes when I'm in a hurry, like to cut hair, I sometimes plug it to 220. So you know, once I hear that snap on the trimmer, like a little pop, I was like, man, I knew that I broke the trimmer. So you know, that's the problem when because before the corded clippers and I think trimmers from Wall was 110. Yeah, that's the only problem. But now, and also good thing before, you can change the fuse when you broke the trimmer, like when you charge it to 110 220. So good thing you can change the fuse. But now in this trimmer, it's not an issue anymore, or it's not a problem anymore, because the charge it comes with a universal charger. Wall did a pretty good job on copying the detailer corded. It has the same look, but the corded or the cordless is much longer. You wall fans should put your hands on this trimmer, and you know you will see what I'm talking about. In the next clips, I will show you how I use it, and also the details, and what I think about the trimmer itself. So let's unbox this thing. It comes with a universal charger, with adapters. Comes with adapters, attachment combs. I think 4 attachment combs with an oil inside and a little brush. It also comes with a premium charging dock, which is so nice and heavy, so premium. It also comes with a fading brush and a wall comb and the trimmer itself. So this clipper is powered by a lithium ion battery that has a running time of 100 minutes. For the charging, it depends on how often you charge it, because it doesn't affect the memory of the battery anyways. It's like, for example, you charge it for example, it has a 90% battery left, and you didn't use it for like a day. And then the next day when you use it, it's still a 90% battery. So that it means so that's the meaning of like it doesn't affect the memory of the battery. Plus it is a fast charging. So it's like it triples the usage time from the time that you charge it. It's like, for example, you charge it for 5 minutes. So it will run about 15 minutes. So this is also what's cool about this trimmer and the charging dock. So the indicator light. So when the indicator light is blinking, that means still charging. But if the indicator light stays on, that means it's fully charged. So this is also powered by a rotary motor. I've used it and easily cut through thick hair. Like it's ideal for thick hair without without snaggy. You don't feel like your clipper is backing up because it can't go through the hair. So the charging dock is sick. Like the charging dock, it got a premium look and quality on it. Plus the design of the plug at the back, like it can swivel from left to right without any problem. So for me, it's better to use it this way so you can save space. Plus it adds aesthetic in your working station. There's 2 ways of charging your trimmer. It's either you plug it straight to the trimmer, or you can put it on top of your charging dock. So again, this is a nice design by Wall, especially the light indicator when you're charging it. So it's like when it's blinking, that means still charging. But if the indicator light stays on, that means it's fully charged. And lastly, the bumps at the back. It gives you a better grip on the clipper, or the trimmer, I should say. It's like you don't have to worry about your trimmer slipping onto your hands, like any other clippers out there in the market. So yeah, I like the design of this clipper. Everyone should try it. So I've been using this trimmer to some of my clients and test it out. Since I got this trimmer, I've been using it a lot. It is my go-to trimmer. I haven't changed the settings on the blade since it came out from the box. It has a good zero gap on it, and thank you for the T-wide blade. You know, I can see clearly what I'm doing. You know, it's good for detailing, like when you're doing hair arts, beard shape ups. So it's easy to use for those kind of detailing. It's also ideal for thick hair because I've used it for like thick hair and it cuts easily. When you're removing bulk, when doing skin fades, the blade is super sharp that it just glides through the hair. And I saw some reviews that saying they don't like the blade of this trimmer. But for me, it was like depends on the skill set of the barber, how skilled the barber is. You know, for me, it doesn't matter what clipper or trimmer you are using. It still depends on your skills. You know. Yeah, that's for me. Let's do a sound test before we wrap this video out. So that's it, guys. So I hope I gave you enough information about this product. It's a great product from Wall. I will be using it a lot at the shop. This will be my go-to trimmer and my top 2 trimmer. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And that's it. See you guys soon.